Hey friends, welcome back to Arts and Crafts. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and beginner friendly, easy spiderweb crochet decor. We will just jump right into it with materials. You are going to need your chosen yarn. I am working with a thicker yarn and an 8mm hook. Besides that, you are just going to need some scissors, and that is all you will need to begin, and we will jump right into making this spiderweb decor. So first, we need to create a magic ring. To do that, we are going to hold with our thumb at the back over our two fingers, create an X in the back over, which creates one in the front, one behind. Taking my hook, I'm going to go under the first one, grab the second one through. I like to hold my hook on the string there, removing my two fingers, and you'll see I have this string going through here and my long string connected to my yarn. I'm going to see how I'm holding this ring so it stays together. So we have this loop with my string still there, holding it. I'm now going to chain 3.
1, 2, 3.
We are now going to start working double crochets into this center ring. So over, through the big center, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Then you're going to chain 1, making sure this string is staying through because we're going to need to pull that. So we need 6 more. So we go over, yarn over 1, yarn over 2, and chain 1. There's 3. 5, 6, chain 1, and on our last double crochet we do not need to chain 1 after, so we just do our last 7th double crochet like so. And now we're going to take that small chain and pull it tight, so we've created this kind of half oval. Now we are always going to start the next set with a chain of 3, turn our work, chain 2, and work a half double crochet into our last double crochet. So into that center there, and a double crochet. Then we're going to chain 2, and work a double crochet into that next one. Chain 2, double crochet into that next one, chain 2, double crochet into the next one, chain 2 into this one, now we chain our last 2, and we're going to work this double crochet. I like to do it the one right before the last double crochet, so just a double crochet into that top chain. So it is looking like this. And now, as always, we are going to start this first part with a chain of 3, and now we're moving up to the next part. So now we're going to chain another 3, turn our work, and work a double crochet into our last double crochet right in here, chain 3, and double crochet into the next one, chain 3, double crochet into the next one, chain 3, double crochet into the next one. And I'm sure by this point you can pick up the pattern that after each row we are just increasing the amount of chains that we do and then working back into our double crochets. So we are currently on chain 3 into our next one, our last 1, 2, 3, and now I like to work into that second chain from this first double crochet. So up in here to, again, we're trying to make that straight line at the top, and here is what it is looking like. And as always, I will do a couple more rounds with you. We are going to start with a chain 3 for the top. Always turn our work, and now we are doing chains of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work our double crochet into that last double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet into that last double crochet. Our last 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our last double crochet into that second chain. And there you go. As you can see, we are slowly building this up, and I think you guys can understand the pattern at this point. To continue, you always do a chain 3 at the top. Now we would be working chains of 5, and then chains of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. I'm gonna go away and build this up a little bit, and I'll show you how cool it can look when you build it up nice and big. Okay, so this is what it looks like worked up to 7 chains. I just want to fix what I said earlier. So when you come up to the top, in that last double crochet, you want to work it into the 3rd chain. You know when you're creating the 3 that go across? You want to always be working into that 3rd chain. That will create the line. And this is what it looks like with the 8mm hook worked up to 7 chains. I'm going to work it up a little bit more though. Just like that, we are all finished up, and she is looking super spooky cute. I think I ended up doing 12 chains with my 8mm hook. I always hate those spiderweb decor that like is just a mess that you always just have to throw out. Seems like such a waste. I love this option for decorating your home in a more sustainable way, and I think it just looks a lot better. There's also really cool tutorials on how to do crochet spiders. I haven't done that yet, but they're out there, which would be really neat to add on to this. Stay tuned as I am going crazy this Halloween season, and I have a whole bunch of videos that I will be posting throughout the next 2 weeks. All crochet, Halloween, some rugs. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Happy crafting, and until next time, peace!